Hey, students. Long time no see. How's it going? Welcome to this latest recording called How to Submit My iMovie Identity Project to Schoology so I can get a grade, do my best, make something I'm proud of, and move on to the fourth quarter of my ninth grade year. Sorry for my froggy voice. What are you going to do? Sometimes you get a little sick. Just gotta roll with it. That's life. Let's get started, shall we? Groovy. First thing you need to do, turn off this silly camera. Get yourself into your iMovie project. Where do you find it? In iMovie, of course. Open that bad boy up, and you will see your movie staring you dead in the face. And if you're in the midst of the project like this, hit this little arrow on the top until you see this home screen. There's my project, Identity, and here's what I want to do. Hit that little box with the arrow pointing skyward, meaning, please help me send my project out to the world for publication, grading, and all-around goodness. Now, what I want to do is slide it on over until I see this little A, and underneath it says Other Application. Click that, shall we? Yes, indeedy. Now, where do you think you want to submit this to? Schoology. The thing is, because I've already done this once, it skipped a step, called exporting. That'll take a few minutes, so it's just as well that you not have to sit here and watch mine do that. But once it's exported itself, whatever the heck that means, you'll see this screen like you see here. You want to open it in Schoology, of course, so let's do that. Wait for it. It's coming. Just be patient. Don't rush. Don't fret. You got all the time in the world. Your project's due today, but hey, no thing. It's coming. Don't worry. Okay, that's our good old friend Schoology. Aren't you going to miss Schoology next year? I bet you are. Now, of course, you want to submit to an assignment. And you see, these are not classes that you are in. So what you would do is click on, of course, your block of English, open it up, and the assignment that you're going to submit it to is, just as it says right here, Final iMovie Identity Project. Submit there and you are good to go. Now, one more thing I want you to see. Going back to iMovie. Unfortunately, for you at least, you're going to have to give these iPads back next year. And this is a project that you spent some time on that's well worth keeping, both because it'll be fun to look back on in the future, and you may need to show some evidence of your own reflection on yourself that you did back in ninth grade. So another really good thing to do would be to send this project not just to Schoology to be graded, but to your own Google Drive for storage for future use or just to look back on. So open it in Google Drive as well. This part takes a little longer, so definitely do it after you submitted your work. But click on Google Drive as I just did. Wait for it to gradually open. If you're bored while waiting, don't worry. There are lots of things you can do to occupy your time, like read a book, sing yourself a song, do a little dance, or just meditate. Now, of course, I want to upload it. And like I said, this will take a little while. But if you do it in school where our internet connection is faster than Speedy Gonzalez running the 40-yard dash in the Olympics, it'll happen quicker than you know it. But since I'm at my house where the internet sometimes is a little sketchy, it's going to look like it's going very slowly, because it is. So let's not sit here while it goes from 1% to 100% for 15 minutes. Instead, I'm just going to close this, because I think you get the idea. And listen, students, if you don't get this by watching this video, watch it again. If it still isn't really working out for you, send me an email. Or if you're in class and I'm right there, just raise your hand. I'll come over and help you out. That's what I do because I love it, just like I love you. Students, have yourself a fine old day or a fine evening, depending on when you're watching this. And remember, submit your work, save it to Google Drive, or upload it, I should say. Have a great day, night, afternoon, morning, whenever you're watching this, and remember, always do your best. Peace out.